I'm Carly Stahl, and I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of how simple and easy the CaseCracker interview management system is to use. Please note that we do offer CaseCracker in a portable version, which works well for field interviews. This system has a USB camera with a built-in microphone and comes with a Pelican case for secure transport. However, today I'm going to conduct our interview on one of our stationary CaseCracker units that is hardwired to a permanent interview room. Our suggested installation uses 2 covert cameras and a microphone in each room. This provides full-time visual coverage of the entire room in a simple-to-understand picture-in-picture view. I'm now seated at our CaseCracker stationary unit, and the actual interview is being conducted down the hall. Each user in CaseCracker has their own unique username and login to log into the CaseCracker system. This allows us to create an audit trail of who has been in the system and who has not. As you can see, we're at our Welcome CaseCracker menu. I'm going to select my name and type in my password, which brings us to the CaseCracker main menu window, where you will see subject, case number, interviewer, and start time. Starting a recording is as easy as clicking the record button found in the lower left-hand corner of the main window. Enter a subject and case number, and then you will be asked to choose room 1 or room 2. Depending on the model, a CaseCracker system can simultaneously record up to 2 rooms. This screen also allows me to select the name of the interviewer, and in this case I am selecting Detective Jones. Then simply click OK, and as you can see, we are recording. The unit shows that it is recording when the record button is flashing. The frames are also advancing in the right-hand corner, which is another signal that the recording is in progress. CaseCracker is recording at 30 frames per second, which is providing us with great audio-video synchronization, much like a Hollywood movie. 2 unique features of CaseCracker are the ability to flag and annotate specific points in the actual interview. Flagging a key point is as easy as clicking on the icon with the 2 red flags by the person observing the interview. This immediately marks the important parts you want to be able to return to quickly. This can also be accomplished covertly by the interviewer clicking a small pocket transmitter during the interview. You can see each flag is recorded with the frame number as well as the time, date, and user. CaseCracker also allows you to instantly insert text during the interview. This will be the annotation box. You simply click on the icon with the pencil and the plus sign. This will bring up a text box for you to type in your annotation, such as the point at which the suspect was given his Miranda rights. Once the interview is complete, click the close button. The interview will appear at the bottom of the list. To review the interview that you just recorded, simply double-click on the interview. Seeing that some interviews can be in excess of 4 hours long, I want to show you how to quickly navigate through the interview to get to specific points. The first option is to utilize the slider bar to move forward or backward throughout the interview. Fast forward or rewind in multiple speeds by clicking on the appropriate buttons. Double-click on a specific flag or annotation to jump to that point. Advance or retreat by 1 second by clicking the 1S icon. Now that you know how to start, stop, and review your interviews, I'm going to show you the different methods for exporting your interview. If you simply want to burn a DVD of your entire interview, place a DVD in the actual DVD drive of your CaseCracker unit, and press on the DVD icon in the left-hand corner of the screen. This automatically defaults to the entire frame range of the actual interview, and if you would like to burn that, you press the burn icon and your DVD will start to burn. The next option for exporting is to click on the video icon. By clicking on the icon of the video strip, you'll be presented with multiple options to burn your interview. I want to highlight that every field exported from CaseCracker follows open standards and does not require any special software to view. It is also worth mentioning that you can pull audio files in the form of a WAV file and snapshots in the form of a JPEG off of CaseCracker. Now that you have your interviews stored in a secondary location, I'd like to show you how to search through your interviews to get to specific annotations that you marked previously. This is one of the features that most investigators get extremely excited about because it saves so much time in the review process. Let's return back to the CaseCracker main menu, and if you press on the Search All button, you will be given the option to search by different criteria, including all interviews about a certain subject, the specific case number, all interviews conducted by a certain interviewer, or all interviews conducted on a certain day at a certain time. The search criteria that I would like to highlight is the ability to search annotation comments across multiple interviews. If numerous suspects made mention of a red Jeep, and your investigators were diligent in annotating the reference to the red Jeep, your search will quickly recall every interview in the CaseCracker system that discussed that annotation. This can save hours of investigative time spent poring through and reviewing old tapes, as your search will pull up actual frames in the specific interview where the red Jeep was mentioned. Lastly, I would like to mention that when attached to a network, CaseCracker allows the capability of up to 5 simultaneous viewers to watch an interview from their desktop computer via Internet Explorer. For a list of this and other advanced capabilities, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much for joining us.